Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I'm going to talk about a simple little how-to trick to replace bulbs. See as I've got here. Let me see. There's my little. I'm putting LEDs in this caveman game right here. And sometimes you've got lights. You can use this technique will work with LEDs or incandescent bulbs. But sometimes you'll have spots in the play field where it's really hard to get the bulbs out. And this is a good example here. You'll see in this head, there's these long tubes, and it's really hard to get in there and get to that. Now they have some like special tools that are like little clamp looking things, but I'm going to show you a simple, easy trick to pull those bulbs out and to replace them. A lot of people know this, but some people may not, and that is something that you probably have already, which is a little a little plunger tip rubber. This is basically the top of a plunger, you see, and it normally goes over the thing right there. But you can also use this to remove bulbs, because see, if you have a bulb, you can put it fits right over the edge of the, let me fit this light properly, fits right over the edge of the thing, like that. And then you can use this thing as like an extension to put it in there. And I'm also going to use a little pair of needle nose pliers. So let's take a look. You'll see there's 3 lights that are in deep recesses. I've already replaced 3 of the 4. So the upper right one has an original bulb in it that's been burned out. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, back off just a little bit. Well, you can see it right there. I'm going to take this and I'm going to use a little thing here. Put the light up there. I'm going to take this and I'm going to stick it right in there and get it over the end of the bulb, push a little bit, and then twist and pull. And voila, the bulb comes out. So there's our original bulb. And I'm going to replace that with an LED, and I'm just going to put this over the front like that, and the suction kind of grabs the end of the bulb, and I'll take this and I'll insert it in until I feel it go in, push, and bam, there we have it. So now we've quickly installed those lights, and this will work also in the play field where you've got lights that are embedded deep into the thing and you don't know, are you supposed to get at it from the back or the front? You can use these little plunger tips, and they're really, really good for that. And if you need to get a little bit further, you just grab them with some small needle nose pliers and you're good to go. So just a short little tip to help you with replacing those bulbs in machines where they're hard to get to with your fingers. So for more, visit pinballhelp.com. Don't forget to subscribe, YouTube/pinballhelp. And until next time, thanks for watching.